7 psychological triggers that make women obsessed with you. Let's cut through the nonsense. Women aren't the mysterious, unpredictable creatures society makes them out to be. They are human, just like us, with emotional triggers that, when pulled the right way, can make them think about you nonstop. Now, before you start crying manipulation, let's get one thing straight. I'm not talking about tricking or deceiving anyone. I'm talking about understanding human psychology and using it to your advantage. Most men chase women like desperate puppies, constantly texting, over-investing, overpraising, and overthinking every little move. They assume if they just show how much they like her, she'll magically fall for them. Wrong. Women don't obsess over men who treat them like queens from day one. They obsess over men who make them feel intrigue, curiosity, desire, even frustration. Emotions create obsession. Most guys are too predictable. They lay everything on the table immediately, leaving no mystery, no challenge, no spark. Then they wonder why she loses interest so quickly. If you want a woman to think about you constantly, you need to flip the script. You need to stand out and keep her attention in a way that feels effortless. In this video, I'll share 7 psychological triggers that tap into a woman's emotional wiring, techniques that will make you unforgettable. These aren't gimmicks. They work because they align with natural attraction dynamics. So, if you're tired of being overlooked or left behind, pay attention. These principles won't just change the way women see you, they'll change the way you see yourself. Let's get started. 1. Be scarce, not clingy. Scarcity is one of the most powerful forces in attraction. People want what they can't easily have. The biggest mistake most guys make? Being too available. They text her all day, agree to every plan, and make it painfully obvious she's their number one priority. They think this will make her like them more, but in reality, it does the opposite. Why? Because when something is always available, it loses value. Women, like anyone else, are drawn to exclusivity. Being scarce doesn't mean ghosting her or playing childish games. It means having a life, priorities, and commitments that don't revolve around her. Here's how to apply it. Stop overextending yourself. Don't drop everything for her. If you're busy, say so. Control communication. Don't always be the first to text or reply instantly. Let the conversation breathe. Let her wonder about you. When you're not constantly in her face, she has time to miss you. Think of yourself like an exclusive event. If anyone can walk in anytime, it's not special. But if access is limited, people crave it. When you master this, she won't just want your time, she'll crave it. 2. Stay mysterious. The easiest way to kill attraction? Being an open book. Mystery fuels curiosity. Curiosity fuels attraction. Attraction fuels obsession. Yet, most guys spill their entire life story within days of meeting a woman. They think openness equals connection, but in reality, it removes all excitement. Here's how to stay mysterious. Pace yourself. Don't tell her everything up front. Let her discover you piece by piece. Be unpredictable. Don't be the guy who texts good morning and good night like clockwork. Keep her guessing. Keep parts of your life private. If she asks, "What did you do today?" don't list every detail. Say, "Had an interesting day. I'll tell you about it later." Let her want to know more. The goal isn't to be secretive. It's to create intrigue. Give her reasons to stay curious. 3. Trigger her emotions. Attraction isn't logical, it's emotional. Women don't obsess over the perfect guy on paper. They obsess over the guy who makes them feel something powerful. Here's how to trigger her emotions. Be playful. Light teasing, inside jokes, and unexpected humor create emotional highs. Create memorable experiences. Do exciting things together. Unique dates, spontaneous plans, or even small unexpected moments. Show emotional depth. Most guys are afraid to talk about passions, struggles, or personal growth. But showing a bit of vulnerability creates deeper bonds. The key is to make every interaction an emotional experience. When you do that, you become unforgettable. 4. Be unpredictable. Predictability is boring. Women don't daydream about men who do the same things, say the same things, and act the same way every single day. They become obsessed with men who keep them on their toes. Here's how to be unpredictable. Don't follow a routine. Switch up how you text, how you flirt, how you interact. Surprise her. Instead of another dinner date, try something adventurous. Be emotionally dynamic. Don't always be the nice guy or always the serious guy. Show different sides of yourself. Unpredictability keeps her thinking, what's he going to do next? And that thought alone keeps you on her mind. 5. Radiate confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Women are naturally drawn to men who own who they are. Men who don't seek validation but command respect effortlessly. Here's what real confidence looks like. Strong posture, steady eye contact, and a calm voice. Being decisive. Instead of saying, I don't know, what do you want to do? Say, I know a great place. Let's go. Handling rejection like a man. If she's not interested, move on without begging. Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about self-respect. And when you respect yourself, she will too. 6. Mirror her desires. People are naturally drawn to those who reflect their values and interests. This isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about aligning with what she cares about. Here's how to do it. Pay attention to what excites her. If she loves fitness, ask about it. If she's passionate about travel, be curious. Match her energy. If she's playful, be playful. If she's deep and thoughtful, mirror that. Subtly match her body language. It builds subconscious connection. When a woman feels like you get her, she won't want to lose that feeling. 7. Be the prize. The final and most important principle. Stop chasing. Be the one who is chased. How? Have a life you love. Build your passions. Work on yourself. And make your own happiness the priority. Set high standards. Don't tolerate disrespect. When you respect yourself, she will respect you. Make her earn your attention. If you give it freely, it loses value. Let her work for it. Women can feel when a man values himself. And when you carry yourself as the prize, she'll want nothing more than to win you over. These psychological triggers aren't about games. They're about becoming the kind of man that women naturally want to be around. Apply these, and you won't have to chase women. They'll chase you. Let me know in the comments. What's worked for you? What mistakes have you learned from? Thanks for watching. See you next time.